Welcome to Park Inn, a Radisson Hotel, located in Dubai Motor City. Dubai's only motor-themed hotel overlooking the Dubai Autodrome Racetrack. All right, the room we're staying at is 344. Let's have a look and see what we got. So this is the room, one king. Right when you enter, you got your bathroom. Got the orange clear glass for the shower. Your sink with all your vanities. Everything you need, all included, including your hand wash on the corner. Your mirror. Towels, hair dryer. Toilet on this end. And to give you guys an idea of the shower, shampoo, body wash, conditioner included. And then on this side you got a little bench. Put your luggage on there or use it for sitting to put your shoes on. Little picture frame of an AMG GT. Nice. Your closet. Ironing board with the iron, a lot of closet space. Also your safe, the Quran. And then moving on to the room itself, there's your king bed. Huge shout out to Park Inn for providing the dessert. And then the towels, of course. Got a little chair on the side with the table, your lamp, and then of course your artwork. This is all motor inspired. And then switches right at the bedside. You can also change up the lighting of the room itself. And your work desk with the mini fridge. Coffee maker, everything you need to make that happen. Another mirror. Yep, it's a mirror to get ready. And your TV itself. So let's see what else this hotel has to offer. On the main floor, you'll find a dining area called Live In Room, an all-day dining outlet at the hotel. At the very top, you can access the rooftop. Here you'll find the on-site pool and lounge chairs all around. The best part is you have a clear view of the racetrack. The hotel also has a 24-hour fitness center. Well, there you folks have it, the Park Inn. If you guys have any questions about this hotel, be sure to put it in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.